Hello Knights Army, Namaskar Shabaike. Welcome to each and every one of you to the second practice match of Kolkata Knight Riders. Ball of the first over. And Ajinkya Rahane goes leg side and he'll get 6 runs. Oh, that was an interesting and close ball, but it's Finn Allen who's got the last laugh.
Again, another short ball. He's put that in the gap for 4. Excellent shot from Ajinkya Rahane. Oh, beautiful shot. Just stand and deliver. Finn Allen and Ajinkya Rahane are taking on. Oh, Ramsey. It's a 4-2 shot and he's gone for 6. Too easy for Finn Allen. With their approach.
Look at that replay. He tried executing that the last game, was unfortunate to get out, but this time around he's got the connection. Finn Allen, does Finn Allen think? First ball of a new over, Finn Allen goes for a 6.
As we said, all the way for 6. Ajinkya Rahane has deposited that over mid-wicket. And he is on fire here. They are not going to stop.
It was a typical Ajinkya Rahane shot. We've seen.
There is a slow ball bouncer, but he just beats fine leg and goes for 4. Put that in the gap. Slightly short this time, and Ajinkya Rahane has bounced on it again.
Oh, Finn Allen has to go. It was a really good innings this time, 31 of 15. Showed us a bit of insanity. It's going to be problem of plenty for KKR. Oh my God, he makes way. And that's going to be the first boundary of Cameron Green's bat in KKR colours.
And his pace on the ball, and again it's deposited over the square leg boundary. As we were saying, that the pace is helping. It's all timing. There he goes. Beautiful. All the way for 6 again. He stands his ground. And it's as smooth as it gets. Ajinkya Rahane is gone to 50 of just 20 balls. A good start for the Golden Knights. This one's in the gap. Looks like in between the fielder. Perfectly timed in between them. That's going to be 4 runs for Cameron Green.
The pitch today. Leg side, on the lengthier side. Offside. Slightly shorter. Rahane has been absolutely brilliant today. 50 already up for the captain, and he's been on song since ball 1. So many 6s, so many 4s, and he's somehow always been able to find those gaps. And so effortlessly that too. It's been an absolutely brilliant innings. There.
हवा में बॉल फील्डर्स को क्लियर करते हुए एक और बड़ा शॉट, बढ़िया शॉट। तो कब आएंगे? अभी आपके स्क्रीन में आप देख रहे हैं रिप्ले ऑफ वन ऑफ द शॉट दैट ही जस्ट प्लेड। इस बार ऑफ साइड के बाहर बॉल, एक ही रन मिलेगा।
And that's the shot of a player who's in form. Absolute class. Umran Malik. And Cameron Green has absolutely smoked that. That's deep into the stands. We need a new ball here. We absolutely need a new ball here.
What a shot there from Cameron Green. Connected beautifully. What a sound of the bat, and that ball went flying deep into the stands. And we'll bring you action from there as well. This one's in the gap. Gonna be one bounce over the fence. 4 runs from Ankrish.
Bin at ease. As I was saying, Bin at ease, he smashed that for 6. It's too easy for him. Full toss. And the catch is taken. Manish Pandey has pulled off a stunner here at long off. Trying to keep the boundaries coming, trying to keep the scoreboard ticking. And as we come to the last 5 overs, it'll be very interesting to see where... Oh, is it that? Again into the hands of Manish Pandey is everywhere.
Another interesting side. Varun Chakravarti padded up, and see what happens when Shane Watson has a word with Ramandeep Singh, and on a very good note. और यहाँ पे oh my God, Ramandeep Singh is here on a roll. Absolutely breathtaking shots from Ramandeep Singh. Rambo is on a rampage. Possibility. Rinku Singh now goes for a big one, didn't quite get the connection, and oh my God, fielders. Oh, what a shot, take a bow, Rinku Singh. Oh, that's a good one, slower one, he didn't today. And he'll do exactly that. It's a catch opportunity, but it will go well beyond the reach of the fielder. It's another 6 runs. The last one, let's see what happens. Oh, bouncer. Rambo finds bat to it, and Rambo finds the boundary too. 4 runs yet again, saying 290. My God. Oh, what a shot. What a shot. That's going to be yet another boundary. Ramandeep Singh, oh my God, that's coming our way. We are not safe because Rambo is on a rampage. We absolutely aren't safe when Ramandeep is on song. 6 runs. Ramandeep moves to 42 of just 14 balls. Golden Knights 249 of 9. Misses it completely. Ramandeep and Anukul were on song. He stalled that. It's time for the second innings of the second intra-squad practice match of Kolkata Knight Riders. Here's the first ball of the second innings. Team Seifert is only going to get a single.
This one's in the gap. Smartly played it. Just past the keeper, and you get 4 runs. The first boundary of the second innings of the Purple Knights innings. This one is in the slot, smacks it away. Will that be 1 bounce and over the ropes? A few bounces more. Another boundary for Tim Seifert.
Oh, up in the top edge. And it's been taken, so a reward for the consistent line and length and the pressure that was built by the other bowlers.
Whoa, great delivery, and that's in first slip. 3rd wicket for Kartik Tyagi. What a delivery. First up, uses that bounce. Caught by Cameron Green at first slip. Sharp bounce there.
And Mozarbani. And that's an edge. Goes for a 4. Right behind the stumps. Oh! And that's straight to the elbow. That must have hurt. And Mozarbani काफी तेज बॉल डालते हैं. Player is all right. तेजस्वी को ज़्यादा चोट नहीं पहुंची होगी.
Head it over the wicketkeeper and the slip, and it's gone for 4. So some bit of relief. It over square. There's the bouncer, top edge. I'll go for 4. The plan was right there. They wanted him to hit it over square leg. Sweeps it all the way for 6. The 6 hitter in Tejasvi Dahiya is here. and he's known to hit a lot of sixes, and he has had a record in DPL to hit the most sixes in an innings. And now we see all that talent on display.
Oh, cheeky, and that will fetch him 4 runs again. Tejasvi Dahiya getting all the runs here for Purple Knights. He moves to 23 of just 13 balls.
Oh, good bouncer, but sort of a tennis ball shot by Manish Pandey. Last ball of the over. Oh, he smashed that for 6. Slightly short, and he's picked the slower ball beautifully. And it's some sight when Rachin Ravindra hits.
And it paid off in the last over as well. He took the crucial wicket of Manish Pandey. Varun Chakravarti came back. First ball, 4 runs for Seifert.
Oh, he swept it again for 4. So 2 boundaries now for Tim Seifert, and as we spoke, back here. Up in the air. And the catch is taken. The plan has worked. And excellent bowling and execution from Ramandeep Singh. You see Dwayne Bravo and Abhishek Nair. Oh, I smashed that over the bowler's head. No better feeling than smashing the ball straight right over the bowler's head. And here comes Vaibhav Arora. Oh, and it's over extra cover for a boundary. Tim Seifert.
Again, Arora steaming in. Oh, that's going to be another boundary from Seifert's bat. Tripathi goes for the big one. He is indeed going to find the gap. 4 runs, once again expensive over from Vaibhav Arora.
Oh, and that's a cracking shot down the ground. Goes for a 4. Straight down the ground. Fielders के लिए फील्ड करने के लिए कोई आशंका नहीं.
Oh, beautifully caressed. He's found the gap over the third man fielder, and he's countered that wide Yorker beautifully, Rahul Tripathi. Parried over, blessing Muzerbani, and he's carved that for 4. Again, wide outside the off stump. He almost found the gap with Rahul Tripathi, but they'll take 2 runs. So it's turning out to be a really good over. Oh, he's moved across Rahul Tripathi, and he's gone over the fine leg fielder. And it's gone for 4. So innovative.
World Cup winning team is very much part of it.
I think we would want to know what this announcement is about. Over to you, sir.
Good shot. That's a maximum. Hit by Rahul Tripathi to Muzerbani.
Here comes Muzerbani. He smashed that over that mid-on fielder who came up. So he's playing with the field here, Rahul Tripathi. He knows exactly where the ball is going to come. Oh, another Yorker. But he's carved it for 4. Excellent shot from Manish Pandey. He has made sure that the boundary count is there, and now the target has now come down to 7 of the last 3 balls. He's just carved it for 4.
4 of 1. Oh, that's a no ball. That's a no ball. They're not going to take a run, but it has absolutely made things a lot more interesting. It is now 3 required of the last ball.
Oh, he smashed it, but straight to the fielder. They'll try for the second. Oh dear. And he's gone. Anchorage has struck. The Golden Knights have won a thriller here by just 1 run.
What a match! The Golden Knights, after scoring 249 runs in the first innings, they were given a different situation to defend, and it was 3 needed of the last ball, and absolute thriller of a contest comes to an end with Golden Knights winning this one and seeing home. 188 for 9 is what Purple Knights get. To all the fans out here, we hope you enjoyed our coverage one more time. We tried our best in leveling up our production. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for joining us in this match. And now that both the practice games are over, we sincerely hope we have a good season ahead.